friends, we have to discuss in this lecture that is about the hydridines. Therefore, last time we discussed about the stereochemical aspect of the hydridine. In the stereochemical aspect of hydridine, we have to discuss the cis fusion and trans fusion of the hydridine. Okay. Therefore, in this lecture, we have to discuss about the relative thermodynamic stability of the hydridines. Therefore, the below the temperature of 466 degree Kelvin, therefore trans isomer is stable. Therefore, your compound's temperature is about below 466 degree Kelvin. Therefore, the compound isomer is a trans and it is a stable component, and that the component it gives a trans isomer. Therefore, this compound is a stable. But above 466 degree Kelvin, therefore the 6 the cis isomer is a predominant. म्हणजे एक प्रकारे काय therefore the but above the 466 degree Kelvin, therefore cis isomer is predominant. Therefore your compound's temperature is above the 466 degree Kelvin, therefore the cis isomer is predominant. Cis isomers is the predominant. Okay. Then secondly, trans isomers having more enthalpy. Trans isomers having more enthalpy, hence it cannot be accommodate more heat energy. Hence it cannot be accommodate more heat energy. Means the trans isomer, those the compound have the trans isomer, and that trans isomers having the more enthalpy, hence it cannot accommodate more heat energy. It cannot accommodate more heat energy. Therefore, those compound trans isomer is having more enthalpy, but it cannot accommodate the more heat energy. म्हणजे more heat energy ला ते काय करू शकत नाही, accommodate करू शकत नाही. Okay. Next is the cis isomer having the less enthalpy. The cis isomers having the less enthalpy, it can accommodate more energy temperature. It can accommodate more energy temperature above 466 degree Kelvin. Therefore, cis isomer is predominant. Means in this cis isomer, therefore the enthalpy is less and it can be accommodate or more energy temperature. It can be accommodate or more energy temperature above 466 degree Kelvin. Therefore, cis isomer is predominant. Means in this cis isomer, therefore enthalpy is less and it can accommodate the more energy. म्हणजे एक प्रकारे काय की तुमचं जे cis isomers आहे, तर that cis isomer it is having the less enthalpy and it can accommodate the more energy. More energy ला ते काय करतात, accommodate करतात, and the temperature above 466 degree Kelvin, and the temperature 466 degree Kelvin. Therefore, the cis isomer is predominant. The cis isomer is predominant. Okay. This is the relative thermodynamic stability of the hydridines. Okay. This is the relative stability. Secondly, we have to discuss about the question on the hydridine. The question is, this question asked in your exam, such as the one of the isomers of two hydridine that is in meso form on reduction gives the two meso alcohol form. On reduction gives two meso alcohol form, while the other DL gives only one alcohol. Okay. तर आता लक्षात घ्या की याचा आन्सर काय, या क्वेश्चनचा आन्सर. Okay. The configuration of two hydridine was determined by two methods. The configuration of the two hydridine was determined by two methods. And these two methods we have to determine the configuration of these two hydridine in the meso form, such as the optically active into bracket trans form of cyclohexane 1,2-diacetic acid upon the Diekmann condensation. Means the optically active cyclohexane 1,2-diacetic acid upon the Diekmann condensation. म्हणजे एक प्रकारे काय की therefore your Diekmann condensation starting product is about the cyclohexane 1,2-diacetic acid, and this cyclohexane 1,2-diacetic acid in the trans form. कोणत्या फॉर्म मध्ये येतो, ट्रान्स फॉर्म मध्ये. and therefore it is upon the Diekmann condensation. Diekmann condensation बरोबर ट्रीट केल्यानंतर काय होतं तुम्हाला 2 hydridianone. It gives the 2 hydridianone. hydridanon. Okay, which also the optically active, hence it is trans. Which also it is optically active, hence it is trans. Therefore, your trans cyclohexane 1,2-diacetic acid, it gives treat with the Dickmann condensation, and this Dickmann condensation product it is formed in trans isomer. तो जो प्रोडक्ट तयार होणार आहे तो प्रोडक्ट कसा असणार आहे ट्रान्स, and therefore this is optically active. तुमचा तो प्रोडक्ट कसा असणार आहे ऑप्टिकली ऍक्टिव्ह. ओके, सेकंड रिएक्शन बघा. the cyclohexane 1,2-diacetic acid into the mesoform, it is in presence of Dickmann condensation, to formation of cis meso. Cis meso means what? It is a 2-hydridanon. In cis form. 2-hydridanon in cis form. वरच्या याच्यात जो 2-hydridanon फॉर्म झालाय तो कशामध्ये झालेला आहे? ट्रान्स फॉर्म मध्ये. Okay, this is the second reaction of the cis meso cyclohexane 1,2-diacetic acid in presence of Dickmann condensation to formation of 2-hydridanon structure. Okay, then it is also formation of the trans 2-hydridanon structure. Okay, next is cis 2-hydridanon in mesoform. Therefore, cis 2-hydridanon in mesoform. पुढचं स्ट्रक्चर काय आहे? पुढची रिएक्शन काय आहे की cis 2-hydridanon. This is a cis 2-hydridanon. These 2 cis hydridanon in presence of reduction. Therefore, it is formation of 2 alcohol. Therefore, it is formation of 2 meso alcohol, and that 2 meso alcohol it is a formation in cis and trans. That 2 meso alcohol it is a formation in cis and trans, and this is the diastereomic cis ol. It is a diastereomic cis ol. Okay, next last reaction in the 2-hydridanon structures such as the trans DL structure. शेवटचा पॉइंट पहा की the 2 meso alcohol while the other DL gives only 1 alcohol. This is the trans DL structure. This is the trans DL structure. तुम्हाला सगळ्यांना माहिती आहे की DL म्हणजे काय? One side is a axial and one side is a equatorial. Therefore, it is a DL structure. Okay. Therefore, this trans DL that is about the trans 2-hydridanon. This trans 2-hydridanon in presence of reduction to gives 1 alcohol. Okay. व्यवस्थित पण लक्षात घ्या की trans 2-hydridanon in presence of reduction, therefore it gives the 1 alcohol. Okay, this is all about the 2-hydridanon. Therefore, the 2-hydridane in mesoform, it reduction gives in presence of on the reduction gives 2 molecules, 2 meso alcohols. On reduction gives 2 meso alcohols. Therefore, this is the cis 1,2 cyclohexane 1,2-diacetic acid in presence of Dickmann condensation formation of 2 meso alcohol, and this is also the 2 meso alcohol reaction such as 2-hydridanon structure and cis 2-hydridanon in presence of reduction it gives the 2-diastereomic alcohol. It gives the 2-diastereomic cis ol, and that is a 2 meso alcohol. That is 2 meso alcohol. हे दोन्ही पण स्ट्रक्चर काय आहे? मेसो अल्कोहोल आहे. एक काय cis आहे आणि एक काय ट्रान्स आहे. ओके, then last reaction is about trans 2-hydridanon structure. Trans 2-hydridanon compound in presence of reduction it gives the 1 alcohol. Okay, this is all about the hydridanon stereochemical accept we have to discuss in last lecture, and this is all about the relative thermodynamic stability of the hydridane, and this is the question asked on the hydridane. Okay, thank you very much.